In this video, I'll show you how to count in Microsoft Excel the cells, the rows that have text in them, that have values. To count the cells with rows, with the rows with text, basically. Let's check it. Okay, I'll open the Excel file to have a thing to look at. So what we're gonna do now, so the thing I want is to count the cells that have text in them, and there are a few ways to do this. Okay, so first and foremost, the easiest way to count is you look here, you have the count here. You can even copy the count and put it here. Count 6, it's copied. 5, copied. But this is really manual, and you would only want to do this if you quickly wanted to get the count of items. For example, now I have count 2, and even I have the sum 5 because there is one number here. And now I have count 4 and sum 10 because there are two numbers, but these are not numbers, it's still counting them. This is very easy, it's a quick way to copy values, but if you want to have it as an actual value in the Excel, I could add this as a formula on the top row here. You can put this anywhere, it doesn't have to be on this row specifically. You can format it to a different color so you know that it's a special column. And this count is going to be the total of all the addresses, for example. So it will not be relative to the row, but to the whole field. So how I do this, I go to the formula tab and type count if. So we have the formula count if, and we define it, we give it the range first, and I will count the names. Let's count the names. So it will give me the whole B column, the whole range, and the criteria for text to count if it's a text. Put a star, and this is 175 here. So this number here, it tells me how many cells with text I have in the column B. So let's see, from the beginning to the end, you see we have 175. The way I did that, I want to show you. I go to the cell here, and then I press Shift, Control, arrow down, and it takes me to the end of the values in this range. And you have 174, the total. Control, Home, I go back there. Now, it counts 175 instead of 174 because it's also counting the name. So if I wanted to fix that, I can edit, I can click on the cell here and then go to the formula again, and you can edit the formula to change the range and remove the top row. But if you add new rows to this Excel, I could do Control Shift down. It counts 174, but there is a problem here. If I add a new row, it will not count it because it's only that range. So to fix this, we leave it as it is with 175, and I will go to the formula here. You can edit actually the formula, any cell that starts with equal and it's a regular cell, it will be a formula. So we have count if with this, and I can really just put -1. Maybe it's not the best way to do it, but it's working. So as long as it has at least one row, so it will have this. If they are all empty, the count will be 0 because it's counting name once, and then name is 1, and then -1 becomes 0. So this is the behavior I want to see here. And to test it, I'll go into one column and delete the contents, And look at this field here, how it changes as I delete values. You see 173, 172, and it's really working at any point in the Excel. And if I undo them, you see how it goes back to 174. This is how you count the cells that have text in them with the COUNTIF formula, and you use the star to identify text. And if you have a header, you can put all this, select the whole row, and then put -1 to subtract the header. If you know a better way to do this, let me know in the comment section below. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful for you, and let me know in the comment section below what Excel tips you would like to learn and what tricks you're doing already. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know what tricks you like to use in Excel and what tricks you would like to learn about Excel. Like what things you do normally, like what things you usually do, and how you want to improve things to make things faster for yourself. Thanks for watching.